Hey guys. I don't know if you are, oh my god, so many messages. I don't know if you guys are enjoying these daily little videos. Please tell me if you are or you're not. So today I'm not going to do word of the day. We'll continue with kitsch. I wanted to talk a little bit about maybe behind the scenes because because I don't know, maybe it's interesting to you, I don't know. So this is my red ideas book. This was given to me by a student from Brazil, actually, who is the one of the bosses of this company, Araujo Abreu, which is a big engineering company. And he gave me this, so I use it to write the ideas for all of my classes. So you can see that here, every time I have an idea for a class, I write it down, and then when I make the class, I cross it off. So you can see I've made classes about using timelines, about word mapping, n-grams. You can see how many different classes I've made and crossed off, and a lot which I still haven't done. So at the moment I'm working on a class. Actually, it's a podcast. I'm working on a podcast about how we learn language, and to do that I have to read. The foundation of the class is based on this scientific paper, and the title is Stepwise Acquisition of Vocal Combinatorial Capacity in Songbirds and Human Infants. So it's very dense. It's look, it has all these charts and graphs, and this is the stuff that I read for you guys. This is the stuff that I read and absorb and try to condense and to make it simple, because this is too complicated. And what else? So these are the scripts for my previous videos and podcasts, and they look something similar to this. So this is my script for the video I made about the middle voice. So you can see it's really simple. It's just one A4 page with different talking points. And so I do a lot of reading and researching, and then I write some sort of notes. Then I'll get in front of the camera and improvise, and the class just comes out. But yeah, depending on the class. Like this, for example, this is one class, but look at this. I had to read all this, and I made all these notes, and I printed all of this. This is just for like 8 minutes of class. But all of this, to me, this represents me being a better teacher, about knowing more about the language, about being able to explain things better. So for me, this is like an education, you know, really important to me. So anyway, now you have an idea about my next class, my next podcast. My next YouTube video will be about punctuation. Oh man, punctuation is fascinating. Fascinating. Okay. So one final piece of grammar, okay, before we finish today. So now in English, we don't have a pronoun for multiple people, like you. Okay, so in lots of languages you have you singular, and then you have you a group. But in English we don't. So some people say y'all, which is you all, because we need this in language. You need to say you plural, and so we say y'all. So what did y'all do on the weekend? But if there's a lot of people, we say all y'all, which means all you all. What are all y'all doing? Anyway, welcome to the English language. I hope you enjoyed today's Daily Digest. I'm Christian, and I'll see you in class.